Friends, continuing our geography, it is part 3 of the geography and environment. Port of 5 seas, it is Moscow. Port of 5 seas, Moscow. Quaker City, Philadelphia. Then Queen of Adriatic, Venice. Venice is Queen of Adriatic. Queen of Arabian Sea, Cochin. Roof of the world, Pamis. Pink City, Jaipur, as everybody know. That Ruhr of the East, Damodar Valley. Ruhr of the East, it is Damodar Valley. Sick man of Europe, it is Turkey. Singapore of future, Penang. Penang is Singapore of future. Sorrow of the Bengal, River Damodar. Sparrow of China, River Huanghe. Sorrow of China, it is River Huanghe. Spice Garden of India, it is Kerala. Sugar Bowl of the world, Cuba. Venice of the North, it is Stockholm. White City, Belgrade. White Mains Graveyard, Guinea Coast. It is Guinea Coast of Africa. Windy City, Chicago. World's Bread Basket, American Prairies. Steel capital of the world, Pittsburgh. They are asking this particular question repeatedly. The steel capital of the world, they are giving, or they can give you in the match the following. In this particular format, it is Pittsburgh. Manchester of Japan, Osaka. Detroit of Japan, Nagoya. What is Detroit famous for? Detroit is famous for automobile. We will study later. Manchester of Russia, Ivanova. Manchester of Russia, it is Ivanova. Detroit of Russia is Novgorod. Novgorod is Detroit of Russia. Then there are certain cities which are famous for their mining industry in the world. Donbass, Ukraine, it is for coal. Butte, US, it is for copper. Kimberley, South Africa, it is diamond. They are asking this question. Kimberley, South Africa. So you have to say diamond. Wanky, Zimbabwe, it is coal. Witwatersrand, South Africa, it is gold. Witwatersrand. Mount Tom Price, it is iron. Sullivan, Canada. Zinc, silver, lead. Zinc, silver, lead is the zinc, silver, lead. Then Katanga, Zaire, Zambia, copper and cobalt. Then Salisbury, Canada, nickel and copper. Then Karaganda, Kazakhstan, it is coal. So what we studied in this video, we will do quick recap. Port of 5 seas, Moscow. Quaker City, Philadelphia. Queen of Adriatic, Venice. Queen of Arabian Sea, Cochin. Roof of the world, Pamis. Pink City, Jaipur. Ruhr of the East, Damodar Valley. Sick man of Europe, Turkey. Singapore of future, Penang. Then Sparrow of Bengal, River Damodar. Sorrow of Bengal. Sorrow of China, it is Huanghe. Spice Garden of India, Kerala. Sugar Bowl of the world, Cuba. Venice of the North, Stockholm. Then White City, Belgrade. Then White Men's Graveyard, Guinea Coast of Africa. Windy City, Chicago. World's Bread Basket, American Prairies. Steel capital of world, Pittsburgh. Manchester of Japan, Osaka. Detroit of Japan, Nagoya. Manchester of Russia, Ivanova. Then Detroit of Russia, Novgorod. Donbass, Ukraine, coal. Butte, US, copper. Kimberley, South Africa, diamond. Wanky, Zimbabwe, coal. Witwatersrand, South Africa, gold. Mount Tom Price, iron. Then Sullivan, Canada. Zinc, silver, lead. Then Katanga, Zaire, Zambia, copper and cobalt. Salisbury, Canada, it is nickel and copper. Then Karaganda, Kazakhstan, coal. We will be continuing this series.